Hi, I'm welcome to Minecraft tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to do some extra stuff with these blocks. So, I've got this item case which is placed down here, and see with this with the mini chest, it has a block bounds, but I want to make it so this one changes based on the different ways that we place it. So, yeah, I need to sort out the models and that lot for this. But yeah. I'm also going to be showing you some really cool stuff. So let's just get out of this. And so here, just the code out of mini chest. Now, it's got a transparent texture in, but the whole thing is not transparent. And a little method here that will fix this. So if you ever need this, it's right there in front of you. But you probably didn't hear this, but I've set the material to wood, but the step sound, and when I place it, sounds like stone. So it's this dot, set step sound, then you just want to do sound type wood, and that will fix that up for you. Really quite simple. That's just one in the block. And again, we're just covering some stuff that I forgot to mention beforehand. But basically, we want to change the block bounds. So it's set block bounds based on state, and this is the method. I don't think we need that super. And I'm just going to rename this to world. So we want to test which way it's facing. So you want to do if world dot get block state at the parse. Get the value of this property facing. So we want to get the value, and if that's equal to enum facing dot north. So if it's the north one, then we know it's north. You just want to do this for all the other different ways that it can face. Okay, so we've got it there. Now you probably see this dot set block, if I spell it right, block bounds method. So this one, and this is what actually sets the block bounds, but we need to fill this in. So basically, it's out of how much of a block. So a block is made up of 16 pixels, and I've done mine in pixels, so it's a full thing. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to open up where is it? There, Mr. Crayfish's model creator, and basically here you can download this. I'll probably put a link in the description, and I'm just going to import the JSON model. So import that. Now, yeah, it does look a bit weird. That's because it hasn't applied the textures, but as you can see here, the north side is here, and what the heck's happened with this? Yeah, it is still in development. But basically, it's 2 pixels in. So each block is made up of pixels, 16 pixels. But you want to get it as a fraction, so that's 2 divided by 16, and if Google will tell us, that's 0.125. So let's just say that's from the north, so the x-axis, I think. Let's just get a new new. Yeah. Why is it not? Hold on. Yeah, it is still in development. That I might be changing which model creator that I use. Not sure yet. Okay, okay. There you go. So this is what I wanted to see. So I believe that's the X, Z, and Y. That's what these axes are. So we've got here this one. We are on the red one, which I think's the Z. No, X. That's the X. Sorry, the red one's the X, blue one's the Z, and Y one's the green. So on here we had it 6 in, So we actually need to do 6 divided by 16, 0.375, 0.375. So that's the min x. The min y is 0. Yeah, and the min z. So that's how many on the z one, which was here, which was 2. So that's 2 divided by 16, 0.125. Yep. And I think if you just put an F to say that it's a float. So the maximum that it's going to be. So for the north one, I think it's 4 pixels wide. So this one was 6. So 6 add 4 is 10. So 10 divided by 16 is 0.625. The maximum of the Y. Now, how tall was it? Can I import it again? So let's work this out. This is 1. Hold on. We don't need to do it like that. I am dumb at times. Let's go to models this way and go to it's north. So this actually says all the stuff. Yeah. And basically, at the top, this second cube is the cube that's on top, and that goes up to 12. So 12 out of 16. So 12 divided by 16 is in fact 0.75. I'm probably going to change this, but 0.75, and then the maximum Z that is going to be, so that's 4. So 0.125 was 2, so that's 6. 6 divided by 16 is 0.375. And I just want to make this F there, and it should like us, and we've got to do this for all the others. So there we go, that should do our block states. So now, I'm actually going to get onto resistance, harvest level, and hardness. So, let's just go onto the wiki. These will be in the description as well. So the resistance is in fact the blast resistance. And this is sort of like a wooden one. So I want to find the blast resistance of wood planks, which is 15. So this dot set resistance 15. There we go. This dot set hardness. So we're going to set the hardness now. So this is the breaking bit. So you just want to find water again, and this is just how much it breaks. So this just browses all of them. So I just want a wood planks, please. And it will say here, hardness is 2. Hardness is 2. And not 20, 2. Now, harvest level works a bit different. So this dot set harvest level, yeah. And tool class. So if it's a pickaxe, it's pickaxe. If it's a shovel, I think it's shovel or spade, one of the two. Hoe is hoe. And basically, obviously, the tool class. This is going to be an axe. And axe level 0 is wooden. I think axe level 0.5F is stone. 1 is iron. Or something like that. 0. It just goes like up. So maybe stone's 1. I'm not too sure. Might look that up after. And yeah, so that should work. And yeah, let's just run the game, and fingers crossed everything works. So let's just wait for the game to load up. Okay, so the game is loaded up, and you do see some errors here. it's not your fault. It's for my tutorial that I'm going to be recording after this, which is on a custom furnace. Just putting it out there. And I haven't actually made a block states for that yet, so I'm going to do that in the tutorial. So don't worry about that. You shouldn't get that. And as you can see, look, the block bounds does in fact match the thing. Oh my days. So place it this way, it matches, and it sounds like a wooden one. Place it this way, it doesn't match. What facing is this? South. I'll have to sort that out. That's probably me being an idiot. South. Crap. Yeah. And you can actually hear that it is working. It sounds like a normal one. And let's just place it down this way. Let's go get myself an axe. That's a shovel. Let's get an axe. Game mode S. And you can see it doesn't break instantly. Takes some time. It sounds like I'm breaking a wooden one. And pop. Place it down again. And with an axe, it's a bit faster. And I'm just going to give me a diamond axe. And should mine a lot faster. And you see it does. So that's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. I am out. Don't forget to watch any of my previous videos or last tutorial. So yeah, go check them out.